Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create broadcast channels on Instagram if the option is not available on your Instagram account. So guys, here I will show you how can you still create broadcast channels on Instagram if the option is not available on your Instagram account. So for that, simply go back to your home screen. And from here I will show you how can you still create broadcast channel on Instagram. So guys, simply open your Instagram, and from here you have to tap on your profile, and now tap on three lines button from here, and from here tap on settings and privacy, and from here scroll it below and tap on account type and controls and tools, and from here tap on switch to professional account, and now tap on continue. Again tap on continue, keep going. Again select your category from here. Here I am selecting my digital creator. Tap on done button, and now from here you have to select as creator. So as you have to simply switch to creator account from your personal or business account. So I simply tap on creator and again tap on next button, and now you have to simply close this window from this cross button. So as once you have turned your profile to creator profile, after this you will be easily able to create broadcast channels on your Instagram. So guys, Instagram only allows the creator accounts to create broadcast channels on Instagram. So guys, hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.